Howdy, folks. Welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry, I don't know, for some reason with this hat, I feel like a cowgirl, even though it's not like a cowgirl hat. But anyway, hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today, I am going to be doing the Walmart Beauty Fall box. This is like one of the last of the Mohegan beauty boxes that I'm doing on my channel because I literally unsubscribed to the majority of my boxes just because like most of the boxes have gone up in prices and you're going to want to pay more than what I was paying. So I just unsubscribe to them. I recently unsubscribed to FabFitFun. I have the annual subscription, so I think I still have more subscriptions still. But they just put their prices up, so I'm like, I was already paying $49.99 a month, so that one I had to give the deuces to. But Walmart Beauty Box is like a beauty box is under $10, so even if the prices went up, like it's not really gonna hurt my pocket too much, so I'm keeping this one. And plus I love the stuff that they give in this box. So, as always, like I say, if you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so welcome back. If you guys are new to my channel, I just want to introduce myself to anyone who's new. So welcome, my name is Aisha. I film all things makeup related. I love makeup, so I do have other things like skincare, hair products, like when I do my hauls. I do mostly like makeup subscription boxes, but since I've canceled the majority of them, I am doing hauls and other things that I am going to be implementing new to my channel. When I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to do like a question and answer so you guys can get to know me better. I'm going to be doing like shopping with me videos, and I don't know if I'm going to be doing like makeup tutorials because for me, I feel like there's a bazillion makeup tutorials on YouTube. And I don't think my makeup's anything that spectacular that you guys would want to know how to do anyway. But I mean, if you guys did, comment down below. But I'm going to be doing a little bit more things on the channel since, you know, them subscription boxes, those prices is looking kind of steep right now. So, yeah. But anyway, if you like content like that, you like me, you want to show me some love, you want to show me some support, then you guys know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl and show me some love. Alrighty, let's get into the box. So, back in the day, it didn't tell you that, like, what box it was, but I love that now it tells you what kind of box it is. And these are all things, obviously, you can get in Walmart. So, this is what it looks like when you open it up. So, we got a little, what is this, like a little pamphlet, and I guess it tells you what you got in your box. That's what I got in my box. It says fall haul, hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. So I got a little blue tissue paper, and this is what I received. Alrighty, so the first thing I got, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that thrilled with. Pink is not, pink is my color. Blue is not my color. I'm very girly girl. I don't think I'm gonna ever wear this headband. And it's a beauty box, so like I wouldn't consider this a beauty product. But, you know, nevertheless, I'll take it. Beggars can be choosers. You never know what you're gonna get in these subscription boxes. But I don't know if I'm ever gonna wear this. It's cute for fall though. I'm digging the whole, it says sweater headband. I'm digging the whole theme, but I don't know if I would ever really wear this or use it. Now there is something in here that makes up for the whole box. I forgot how much I paid for this box. Like, it used to be like $4.85 or something like that, like $5. and I'm pretty sure the box went up, but it's maybe like 6 or 7. It's still under $10, and for that price, the things you get is not too bad. But I'm super excited for these. This is by the brand Luna Magic Beauty with a Vibe, and it's called Happy X, these lashes. But these are right up my alley because your girl loves like long, full, thick, flirty lashes. Say that 10 times. But yes, love this. The next thing I got is the Hemp Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. I was actually looking for some lotion before I filmed because I wanted to make sure my hands was nice and hydrated. Couldn't find it, and I have so much body lotions. But nevertheless, this is my favorite body lotion scent from Hemp. So it just smells amazing. Oh my god. This smells divine. Divine. Obviously it smells like pineapple, and I never smelled like a honey melon, but I'm guessing this is what it smells like, mixed with a little pineapple, but amazing. The next thing I got is a energy multiplier energy drink mix. I'm willing to try this. It says yuzu, pineapple. They always give stuff from Liquid IV. I want to say I have like 3 other packets of something from this brand from just these boxes, but that's what it looks like. Alrighty, now this is kind of ghetto, but they gave me a facial moisturizer with sunscreen in the packets. I'm never here for the packets. Like, they gave me these packets, and your girl ain't using them. She just don't really use the packets. Like, they get lost in the wind. They just get lost. They gave me a Suave Up the Volume shampoo and conditioner. This is supposed to, moisturize, lift for workable hair with volume. I don't know if my hair has volume. It's just like there, but these are the packets they gave. So the 2 things that I'm excited about is the lashes and the hemp lotion. I mean, I can make it work. I don't even think I own one blue anything. Like, I don't own anything blue in my wardrobe at all. Like, this is the first blue thing I have. Like, if I go shopping, I try to get everything in pink. If they don't have pink, then I'll get purple, or black. Like, I love like black clothing, just all black. But blue, I'll pass with that. But we'll see what I'll do with the headband. It's cute. If it was pink or purple, I would have rocked it. But nevertheless, I digress. Let's sum up the box. So, I mean, overall, for what I paid for, if I went to Walmart and bought these 2 things, I mean, I don't think it would be anything over $10, but you still get your bang for your buck. I love these lashes. I can't wait to wear them. What did you guys think about my box? What did you guys get in your Walmart beauty box for the fall season? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm signing off of the channel, but like I say, as always, if you're not subscribed, show your girl some love. Like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of my makeup tribe. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.